Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, April 13th. Welcome back. I hope everybody had a great spring break. It was nice to kind of just not have to focus on getting online for the week, so that was really nice. For today, if you go into the folder, Monday's assignment, I'm just going to open that up so you can see. You are reading chapter 16 and 17, and there is a grammar lesson for you to complete. It's over a short little passage from chapter 17. Okay, and then in that folder, you'll find the reading from Mrs. Anderson's chapter 16 and 17. They are separate videos because we originally had chapter 16 on that Friday before spring break, but it ended up being a catch-up day, so we had to add it back in here. This is the grammar lesson for chapter 17. Okay. So there's two things. Label each sentence, whether it's simple, compound, complex, or compound complex. And then there's two areas that are underlined. Use the dipper to drink is one, and then he was snoring like a barn full of plow horses is the other one. What type of figurative language is being used in those two underlined portions, okay? Otherwise, you're just going to label numbers 1 through 6, tell us what sentence type it is, and then those two figurative language, okay? If you need to do this on a Google Doc and submit it that way, whatever you want to do. If you want to handwrite it, take a picture of it, that's we're good. We're taking it any way you can get it to us, okay? All right, let's see what else is in here. And of course, there's the PDF version of the story. We always include that in there also, okay? So that is it for today, Monday. And we'll be on tomorrow for the Google Meet at 2 o'clock. It'll be in tomorrow's assignment, so you can see that. So just kind of plan ahead and think about joining us tomorrow at 2 p.m. for that Google Meet, okay? Otherwise, welcome back. Let us know if you have any questions, concerns. Email myself or Miss Anderson, and we'll be happy to get back in touch with you and answer any questions or concerns that you have, okay? Certainly, if you have any issues with downloading or submitting assignments, please get with us as soon as possible, okay? Thanks. Y'all have a great day. Bye.